Today we're making another easy camping meal, and this one has tater tots, so stay tuned. Hey everybody, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today we're going to make another super easy Dutch oven recipe, and it's a tater tot casserole. And can I just tell you guys, this is so simple. And if you know anything about my recipes, I believe simple is better, you know, and I also think the key to making it simple is doing a lot of the prep work while you're at home. And then you can just bring everything up, and it eliminates the time of getting things ready while you're up camping, so you can enjoy camping that much more. So what you'll need is some cheddar cheese, tater tots, a couple cans of cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, some salt and pepper, some hamburger, and some onions. And I've cooked up 2 pounds of hamburger. I've actually got a little bit more. That's going to be for Murphy. I've got 2 cups of cheddar cheese. We're going to use about a half a cup of sour cream. And then 2 cups of cream of mushroom condensed soup. And then we're going to add a full onion. I went ahead and got the onion all chopped up at home. If you'd like, you can actually, as you're cooking your burger, cook the onion in with it. It'll kind of make the flavors all go together, but I just am putting it in right now. Let's go ahead and get this all mixed up. You guys, really, this is so simple. You are going to just be so amazed at what a yummy, delicious meal this makes. Let's add a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, we are ready to put it into the Dutch oven. I'm going to move this over here. And let's pour it in. Ooh, it looks yummy already. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more salt and pepper. Now, I am going to be cooking this at 350, so we are going to have 8 coals on the bottom and then 16 coals on top, and it's going to be about 40 minutes. Basically, we're just warming up the meat, but we want to get the tater tots to be kind of like a nice golden brown. I'm just going to add these in and then kind of arrange them. We want these little tots to come out nice and crispy. Oh, who doesn't love nice crispy tater tots? Doesn't that sound so good? I'm so excited. Actually, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm trying to get those flattened out. So there we go. We're ready to put the lid on, and we'll go over to the coals. Okay, so it's been an hour and 15 minutes. Now we are up at 9,000 feet, so I think it took probably a little bit longer than it may take you, but just kind of factor in those kind of things when you're trying to decide if it's done or not. Actually, you can also do the nose test, and you know, you'll know when it's done by just smelling it. So let's go ahead and dish some up. Oh, that looks just amazing. Those tater tots are just golden brown. So what do you think? Oh my goodness, it smells yummy. I just love how the tater tots got golden brown. What a fun and easy dinner. So hey, thank you for joining me today. It was great to have you along. If you got some value out of this video, give me a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So I hope you have a wonderful day camping, and I'll see you on the next adventure.